You're lying in bed.
Is
The
this
room
real?
is pitch black.
$1 million?
And the only
No
thing
way.
illuminating your face
This
is a cold blue
insane.
glow of
I'm
your phone.
rich.
It's
What do I
11:42
do
p.m.
first?
You shouldn't be doing
Time
this.
to
You should be
celebrate.
sleeping.
Whoa!
But instead,
$1
you open the
million
app.
bucks!
You know the one.
Yeah! Time to
Thumb past
party!
Face ID.
No way!
Your heart
This is
doing that weird
awesome!
little flutter thumb.
Woohoo!
There it is.
Jackpot!
The number. You've
I'm
done
rich!
it. You hit the milestone.
Whoa!
Maybe
Look
it's
at all these
100,000.
offers!
Maybe it's
Pre-approved
$1
home
million.
equity lines and
Maybe it's
concierge
just that
wealth
first
services.
50,000
This
that felt
is
like
your
climbing
ticket to
Everest
financial
in
freedom.
flip-flops.
Don't wait.
You
Get
feel
started
this
today.
sudden,
You're gonna
intoxicating
love
rush
it.
of heat in your chest.
You
For
won't
the
hold
first
me
time in your
back
adult
forever.
life, the check engine
I'm
light of
getting
your soul
closer to
has
that
finally
finish
turned
line.
off. You aren't just
One more
surviving.
push. Almost
built a
there.
fortress.
Yes!
You
I'm
think,
breaking
"I'm
free.
The game is over.
Hold on, everyone.
I won.
The accumulation
But then
phase
the
is
sun
about to
comes
accelerate.
up,
My
and that's when
portfolio
the
can't
world
handle these
notices you've
dips.
changed.
Small
Suddenly,
Antilles
your
jealousy.
inbox isn't just spam
Phew.
from Old Navy.
Back to steady
It's
growth.
exclusive invitations for premium credit cards.
This ride is out
Your
of
banking
control.
app, which used to ignore
Taxes
you
and
unless you were
inflation are
overdrawn,
crushing me.
is now sending you push
I
notifications.
can't hold on. It's getting
You've been
steeper.
pre-approved for a home equity
Somebody
line.
stop this
Check
thing.
out our concierge wealth management.
Ugh, this thing
The
just
system
won't
has
stay
a built-in
put.
radar for people who
Hey,
finally
stop
have a floor
wobbling
under
up
them.
there.
And its entire job is
Whoa,
to turn that
it's
floor
getting
back into a
heavier.
treadmill.
I
You
can't
think
keep
you reached the finish
carrying
line,
all this.
but the rules of the game just shifted while you were sleeping. The math that got you to the number is officially dead.
Investor
math that
behavior
keeps you,
often
there's a
follows an
completely
upward
different
trend,
beast.
but the
One
prestige
that
trap
involves a
can be
hidden tax
tempting.
mistake
The
so
allure of
brutal,
success can
it can
trigger
vaporize a
impulsive
decade of
actions,
compound
leading
growth
to
in
a
a single
snap back
fiscal
to
year.
square one.
You're
Stay
standing on the
disciplined.
summit.
Welcome back.
everyone
Peter
else is
here,
looking at you
obsessed
like
with
you're a
real
fresh
math.
battery
Today we're
they've
covering
been waiting to
compound
drain.
interest.
Hitting
It's
the number
simple.
feels
Just
like a
watch
win,
how your money
but
can
this is
grow.
exactly
This is
where most people
education,
lose
not
it all.
financial advice.
Here is the
Let's
uncomfortable
dive
truth.
in.
Most of us are trained to be accumulators. We are taught to grind, to save, to not buy the latte, and to watch the line go up. We treat retirement like a roller coaster. You spend 30 years clicking
Market's
up that
down.
long,
Sweet,
steep wooden
90%
track.
off stocks. No,
Click,
my
click,
retirement fund is
click.
ruined.
It's boring.
This is a sale.
It's slow.
It's
And you're just staring at the back of the head of the guy in front of you.
Bargain of the
But the moment you
century.
hit your number,
No,
you
not
reach the peak.
157,000.
and most people think
you
the goal
spend
is
it
just
all
to
on
get to
this
the top.
car.
It's not.
I have
The
to get
goal
away
is
from
to
that
survive
sign.
the ride down
You can't
without
escape
flying
me.
off the rails. The catch is that the financial industry in your own brain
Tasty tax break.
wants you to stop being a
Whoa,
builder
that
and
fuse
start
is
being a
getting
consumer
hot.
the second you feel
Yikes!
safe.
Get the flow.
We have this finish line fallacy.
Wow.
We think wealth is
What
a
a
destination,
blast.
like a city you move to and then unpack your bags. In reality, wealth is a foundation. If you stop maintaining the foundation because you think the house is done, the whole thing starts to sink into the mud. Look at the stats.
Time to give the
According
government
to Federal
our
Reserve
peace.
surveys,
No
the
way.
average
This
American's
is my
biggest threat
retirement.
isn't just
Hand
not
it
saving
over.
enough.
It's required.
It's the massive
You'll
leap
have to
that happens
take
once
it.
they do a money.
Fine, I'll
We
take
call
my
it lifestyle
slice.
creep. But
Early
that's too
withdrawals
gentle.
during a market dip
It's
can deplete your
lifestyle
portfolio.
sabotage.
See
We
how
it
the
in
red
Vanguard
line on the
reports
graph
every
drops?
year. The
This
investor
sequence of
behavior gap.
returns risk can shorten your
Most people
retirement.
underperform
Plan
the very
carefully to
funds
stay
they own
afloat.
because they get emotional.
I'm drowning in
They hit
debt.
a milestone.
Sucks to be
Feel
you,
invincible.
Alex.
Make one
Help, I can't
justified
keep
luxury
up.
purchase.
Just chill
and then
on
the
the floor like
psychological
me.
dam breaks.
I can't. They're
You
everywhere.
aren't broken
Your
for feeling
problem.
this way. Almost
All right,
everyone
here's the
does.
actionable
The
playbook.
system is
First,
literally
define
tuned
your
to
floor.
ensure that if you
Second,
manage to
tax
escape the
buckets,
struggle,
like a Roth.
you
This
are
is key.
immediately flooded into
Third,
the
build a
prestige
cash
trap.
buffer. This keeps you
My name
stable.
is Peter.
Got it?
I'm
Now
obsessed
take
with
action.
how money actually works.
It's not a finish line,
Not the
it's
version
a
they sell you in
foundation.
glossy brochures
This
at the
key
bank.
represents
But the
endless
messy,
possibilities.
psychological, spreadsheet
Use it to
collapsing reality
unlock
of
your
it.
potential.
Before we dive
Every
into the
step
math that can
builds
save
your
life,
future.
a quick word.
Out of my way.
This is for
This
education
Tesla is
and
flipping for a
entertainment only.
fortune. Stop
I am a
right
horse
there.
in a
You
hoodie,
can't flip on this
not a
floor.
licensed financial
I paid
advisor.
for this floor.
I don't
it's
know
my
your
right.
life, your
Not
debt,
on my watch.
or how many
this is
cats you're
ridiculous.
planning to support in your old age. This isn't financial advice. It's a look at the mechanics of the system. Please consult a qualified professional before making big moves with your loot. When you're starting out, you are in phase one.
How
grind.
are they making
in
money
phase
off
one,
me?
your biggest
They
enemy is
charge
time.
fees for their
You're fighting
services
to get the snowball
and
rolling.
invest your money
math
to
is
make
simple.
more.
Spend
So
less than
that's
you
how they
earn,
make money
and just
off you.
rest and wait. It's a game.
My
of
2-year
scarcity
cash
and
buffer
discipline.
keeps me
But
safe.
when you hit your number,
I'll crash your
enter
market.
Phase two.
My plan is
Reservation
solid.
shift.
Roar!
This is where the world
No
flips
escape.
upside down.
I can
In
wait out the
phase one,
storm.
a 10% market
No.
rate is a sale.
Let's try
You
2
love
plus
it.
3
You're buying more.
equals
In
5.
phase two, and you're
Now
living
for
off that
10
money.
times
A
2.
10% drop is a threat to your survival.
Yes!
The emotional weight of the money
Welcome to the
changes.
Trinity study.
And then
This
there are
graph
the
shows
external
why
shifts.
flexible spending is
Banks
key to
and apps
survival.
love stable
See this
people.
curve? As
Why?
portfolio value
Because
increases over
you're the
time,
best
so does your
person to lend
success
money
rate.
to.
It keeps you at 100%.
They don't want a guy
That's
with $0.
financial survival.
They want the guy with $500,000 who can be convinced to take out a low-interest loan for a boat. They tempt you with rewards. You've worked hard, they say. You deserve the upgrade. This reward logic is the most dangerous thing in finance. After years of scarcity, your brain feels justified in spending. You tell yourself, I hit my goal. I can afford the $80,000 SUV.
Get rich quick!
But here's the catch.
Sounds too good to be
If
true.
you take that money out of your
Unlimited leverage!
you aren't just spending
Buy this
$80,000.
now!
You are spending
I'm not
the future
so sure.
earnings of that $80,000.
Don't miss out!
If that money was earning 7%, that SUV didn't cost you $80,000. Over 10 years, it cost you $157,000 in lost growth. You just paid a 100% stupidity
Money
tax
makes it easy!
to have a car that
Ugh,
smells
this is
like
heavy.
new leather for
Keep
3 months.
pushing. You'll get
the biggest
there.
mistake,
Almost there.
the one that ruins
Money
everything,
power.
is treating your retirement account like a bank account.
He
It's
hit
not.
the number!
It's a
Deploy
forest.
the loans!
If you start
Yes!
cutting down
Launch
the trees
full
for fire
assault!
with the moment the
Divert
forest
all
gets big,
resources!
you'll be sitting in a
Overwhelm
desert
them!
by
The
winter.
radar is charging!
Let's talk about the
Deploy
specific
now!
tax
Full
mistake
throttle!
that
No
kills most
mercy!
retirees.
You worked
The
hard.
required
Buy
minimum
the
distribution,
But
RMD
I
trap,
just got this
and the
hoodie!
tax-deferred time
Exactly.
bomb. Most
You
people
deserve
spend their
better.
whole lives
This
putting
is a
money
trap.
into traditional 401k,
No, it's fine. You win.
S or IRAs,
Upgrade it is.
because they get a tax break.
I
now.
am the future
They think,
earnings ghost. This
I'll be
is
in a
you
lower tax
in
bracket when I
2034.
retire.
10 years of lost
Will you
growth?
go?
No
If
way.
you're
This
successful
is
and
the
you hit
price
the
of your
number,
laziness.
and you have
Time
a
is running
million
out.
or two
What do I
stash
do?
away,
Start now.
plus Social Security,
Hey, I'm your
plus maybe a small pension
401k.
or rental income.
Let me out so I can
You might
grow your
actually be in a higher
savings.
bracket.
I'll be your
And
future
here's the
tax
kicker.
bracket.
The government
Together,
eventually
we'll ride
forces you
to
take that
financial
money out.
freedom.
If you have $2 million in traditional
Whoa, the
IRA,
tax bracket is
the
sinking my
government says,
savings.
Hey,
Look at my
we
Social
waited
Security
30
and
years
IRA
for our
pile
cut.
dropping.
Give it to us.
This is why planning
If you
ahead
haven't
is
planned
crucial.
for that, you can get hit with a
Back to
tax bill
even.
that forces
For
you
now.
to sell assets when the market's down, or pushes you into a bracket
Hey,
where
that's
you're
my
losing
sandwich.
30
The
to
IRS
40% of
took
your
a
withdrawal to
quarter.
the IRS.
This is
Compound
outrageous!
interest works both
I guess
ways.
I'll eat the rest.
If your money grows at 7%,
This
but you're
equation is a
losing 2%
lie.
to hidden
A
fees
20%
and
loss and
25% to
25%
future
gain
taxes
does
you
not
didn't
equal
account
zero.
for,
See?
your safe withdrawal
Arrow. The
rate
calculator
isn't
agrees.
what you think
it's
it
a
is,
trap. Don't
according
fall
to
for
the
it.
sequence of returns risk. If the market drops
not
right as
another
you start
leak,
retiring,
and the market's
you're
down
forced
again.
to withdraw for
Okay,
taxes
phone down.
and living
Buck it up.
expenses, you can deplete
This
your
is
portfolio
ridiculous. I
in
need a
10
plumber,
years
not
instead
a
of 30.
portfolio.
The math is
All right,
brutal.
one more spot.
A 20% loss requires a 25% gain just to get back to even. If you're withdrawing while that's happening, you're dead in the water. Meet Alex and Jordan. Both hit $1 million at age 55.
All right, little guy.
Alex sees a $1
Let's help
million
you grow.
and thinks, I'm
Yes,
a millionaire.
you're sprouting so
Alex
fast.
buys a dream house. with a
Whoa,
hefty
look at that
mortgage,
growth layer.
thinking the investments will
Awesome.
cover the
Time to
payments.
aim even higher.
Then the market hits a flat period.
Come on, take
Alex
the
still
cash!
has the mortgage.
No
Alex
thanks,
starts
I'm
dipping
good.
into principal.
You'll regret
Because Alex
it!
didn't set a floor.
Nope, still
Every
no.
withdrawal during a down market carves out a chunk of the foundation. Within 7
the
years,
market's
Alex's
crashing.
million
Sell
is
everything.
$600,000.
Relax. This is
The
just
house needs a new
volatility.
roof.
The fundamentals
And Alex
are strong.
is looking for a
But
job
the
at
red
62.
line, it's a disaster!
Jordan hits $1 million
Patience.
and
The
thinks,
green will return.
cool, I have my floor. Jordan sets a rule. The floor is $900,000. Jordan never touches that. Jordan builds a growth layer, the extra $100,000, and an options layer.
All right, let's measure this
cash for
forbidden
emergencies.
treasure.
Jordan
Whoa,
keeps the same
the
modest
sign wasn't
lifestyle,
kidding.
but uses
One
the
more
dividends
try
to
won't
travel.
hurt, right?
When the market dips, Jordan stops
Okay,
traveling
lesson
and lives
learned.
off the cash options
Let's see
later,
how a Roth
leaving
account
the
grows.
$900,000 floor
The money
untouched
goes
to
in
recover.
after
The
tax
stats back Jordan.
and
A
grows
study by
completely
Trinity
tax-free.
University, the famous Trinity study.
No taxes on the
shows that
way
if you
out.
maintain a flexible spending
Here's your
rule
free premium
and protect your
portfolio
principal during
review.
bad years,
Free? Let
your
me see that.
success rate,
Of course.
the chance
it's
of
a
your money
premium
outliving you,
service.
goes
What's the
from
catch?
80%
no
to nearly
catch.
100%.
It's all for you.
So, how do you actually protect
Time to
yourself?
top off the 2-year
Here's where
cash
there's a
buffer.
catch playbook.
This stash will cover
Define
all
your
my
floor.
expenses.
Don't just have a
Woo! Now that's
retirement
financial
number.
security.
Have
No
a
more
zero
money
line.
worries for me.
This is the amount of
Build
money
your
you
own
never
buffer and
touch.
chill.
Even if a shiny new Tesla does a
These
backflip
monthly
in front
payments
of
are
you,
relentless.
the tax
I
diversification
thought I was
strategy.
getting somewhere.
Stop putting everything
Just
in
a little more.
tax-deferred
Come on.
accounts. Start building a Roth or a taxable
It's never
brokerage bucket.
ending!
You want to be able to choose
Please,
which bucket
consider
you
the
pull from so you
contract.
can control your
No.
tax bracket in
But
retirement.
the terms are excellent.
Be suspicious
No.
of winning.
What about
When
a
you hit a
counter
milestone,
offer?
be your own biggest skeptic.
No means no.
If a bank offers you a premium
Pouring the
service,
foundation for a
ask yourself,
solid retirement.
how are they making money off me?
Now to
Build
spread
a
it
cash
nice
buffer.
and even.
Have 2
There
years of
we
living
go,
expenses
looking
in boring
good.
high yield, which usually means low yield but safe cash.
Ugh,
This
lifestyle
is your market
upgrades are
insurance.
heavy.
It allows
Building
you to ignore
down
the
is the
stock
way.
market when it's
Solid
throwing
foundation
attention.
first.
The real all catch is that
Let
the
the wealth
system
grow.
doesn't want you to be free. It wants you to be a
I
high net
made
worth
it.
individual
Not
who
so
still has a
fast.
monthly payment.
Whoa,
It wants you to hit the finish
tax
line
time. Get
and then
off
keep
my
running.
trophy.
Protect
It's
your
mine
first big
now.
milestone like it's the floor of your house, not the ceiling.
Welcome
Because
to
the
the
moment you
bucket
think
shuffle
you've made it
strategy.
is the
We
exact
juggle
moment
withdrawals
you're
from
most
401k,
vulnerable to
Roth,
losing it.
and cash
Money
buckets.
isn't about the number
This
on the
shuffle
screen.
minimizes your
It's about the
taxes
number
in
of times you
retirement.
can say
Start
no
shuffling for a brighter
to things
future.
you don't want to do.
Don't just get
Keep your
rich.
floor
Be
solid.
free. Break
Keep
free
your
from the
taxes
traps of
smart.
lifestyle hype.
And don't let the
This
guru
is
hype
my freedom.
convince you
You can claim
that
yours
need
too.
more than freedom.